What up everyone, this is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox error code 429, or the error that says an error occurred during authentication. So let's get right into this. So there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing to do is go to your search bar and type in CMD, right click into this and run as administrator. Once this open up, you want to write in ipconfig /flush DNS, and you're going to successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. This should be the first step you should do and see if this fixes it for you. If not, the next thing you want to do is go back into your search bar, type in network connections until you see this pop up. Click into that, right click into either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whatever you're connected into, and then click into properties. Click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and go to properties. Change it from automatic into use the following DNS server addresses, and change your preferred DNS into 1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, restart your computer, turn the game back on. You should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up. Got a channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Tutorials out. Peace.